Have a seat, young man. I'll be right with you. What can I get for you?
How much is the ice cream sundae?
50 cents?
How much is a plain dish of ice cream?
35 cents. Which one would you like?
Can I have a plain dish of ice cream, please?
35 cents. All right, I'll be back in a second. Here you go.
Thank you.